Okay, so we were finding area of this circle using this integration. So let's see. This we had formed up in this 4 I have multiplied in the previous slide, previous video. So this I have taken 4 times because we have to calculate the whole area, and this is 0, this is a comma 0, this is 0 comma 0, this O point. So I have to calculate this area under this curve. I'm making a strip, but trust me, there is no need to make it every time. This is just for understanding. I'm doing it in the beginning. This I have to find out. So this is dx, this is my y. This I have already done. Y's value we have put. So 0 to a I have to find out. I have taken 0 to a. Now 70% of your questions will be done with this formula in your this chapter. So even if you do not know the all formulas, please remember those limited formula which will be repeatedly used, and this is one of them. Okay, almost I can say without exaggerating 70% time this formula will be used. Do you remember what was this formula? A square minus x square. This is x by 2. A square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. यही था, right? So let's apply it. 4, if you want to write it separately, you can write it separately. 4 you can multiply later on. I'm just taking only this much. So since it is only the integration and a and x are the same notations, let's put the limits. Limits are very easy to put in this, क्योंकि आधा तो 0 ही बन जाएगा. When I put over here a square minus a square, ये पूरा का पूरा 0 हो गया. Right? When I put here a, it will become 1. When I put here a, it will become a square only. It can be anything else. So it will be a square by 2 sine inverse a by a, that is 1. ठीक है जी? Okay, this is first upper limit we have put. Now when I come to lower limit, now this will make it 0. This whole thing will become 0 because of it. 0 into something minus 0. हो गया. When I put it here 0, इसको तो सोचा ही नहीं, सिर्फ यहाँ पुट किया हमने. When I put it here 0, sine inverse 0 is 0 only. So this will also become 0. Please try to understand. I explain one more time. पहले upper limit put किया. When I put here, it will be a by 2. Put नहीं करके दिखाया मैंने, because when I put it here a square minus a square is 0. 0 into anything is 0. When I put this a over here, this is a square by 2. This is sine inverse a by a, that is 1. Done. Coming to the 0. 0 into anything 0. When I put 0 here, sine inverse 0 is 0. So this is also 0. So most of the times it's very easy to calculate with this limit. Now this is a square by 2. Sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. So this will be pi a square by 4. और ऐसे कितने पोर्शंस थे? दिस इज एरिया ऑफ 1 क्वाड्रेंट. तो पूरा सर्कल का एरिया हो गया. एरिया ऑफ दिस सर्कल वुड बी 4 into pi a square by 4. सो व्हाट इज दिस? इफ यू सी केयरफुली, ये रेडियस था, pi r square ही तो आ गया, राइट? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो यू this example is very good to understand that integration calculates area under the curves. I hope basic idea of the chapter at least is clear to each one of you. I take more examples.